Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to create a very basic and very simple flow. So the flow is very simple. So often if you are working in an organization, so usually on Friday everyone wants you to release your time entry. Alright, so basically what you can do, you can set up a recurrence email particularly on Friday. Okay, that will basically send an email to all the employees in your organization so that they will have a reminder to submit their time entry, especially on Friday. So let's create this flow. This is going to be a very simple. So what I'm going to do, I will go here, I will go to cloud flow, I will say automated, and basically I'm creating altogether a new flow. Right, so here I can skip this and I will add my trigger as a recurrence. Okay, so for example, I can say I can search for my recurrence here. Here we go, recurrence. Alright, now I want this to run every day. Not every day, sorry, every week. And in my week as well, I only want this flow to run, especially on Friday. And here now I can specify that what time. Okay, so it's 24 hours, so you can calculate. So usually the morning starts at 9 a.m. So I will say 9 a.m. here. Here again you can specify time zone. Okay, you'll probably find the time zone where you are. Alright, then basically this will help me to automatically trigger my flow at a particular time in a particular week. So I can say this as say auto time entry flow, something like this. As this is very simple and basic flow, so yeah. Then you can simply send an email. You can add multiple email addresses. You may have a DL email ID as well, so you can add that. Here I'll be searching for my send an email v2. Okay, here I can specify those email address. For now I'm going to send it to myself. So I can say, please submit your time entry. Okay, and here you can give again body like same thing, please submit your time entry. And you can say today is Friday, and here you can also specify your time as well, so you can search for your UTC now. Again you can format this as well, like your time up to a specific format. For now we're not going to do it because we have already covered this in our videos already. So I'm going to save this. And I will test it. Now to see the output, I'm going to test it manually, but this should work automatically as well. The only thing is that you need to make sure you are selecting the right time zone. Let me run it. Done. And I will wait for this to get loaded, and here basically now I'm getting my email. Okay, please submit your time entry. Today is Friday, blah blah, even though it's not because I manually ran it, but yeah. So this is how you can create a time entry and it can automatically send email at a particular duration time. Thank you for watching this video.